Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to answer the question as to whether these 4K Freesat boxes defragment their hard drives. The answer is yes, they do. It's done automatically, so you don't need to do anything yourself. Your Freesat box may defragment while powered on, but I'm not sure about that. It does, however, do it when in standby. If you didn't know, defragmenting a mechanical hard drive rearranges files on it so they're easier for your device, which in this case is a Freesat box, to access these files. This keeps the performance fast and puts less strain on the hard drive. While your Freesat box is in standby, it will be active and doing things such as looking for updates, checking to see if there's any planned recordings and prepares to record them, checks to see if there are any other showings of your scheduled recordings and sets them, and it also defragments its hard drive to keep recordings running smoothly and put less strain on the hard drive. It doesn't do all of this every time it's in standby, it does different things at different times. You'll know if your 4K Freesat box is doing stuff in standby because you'll see the standby light on the front of your box go from red to purple and then to red again. If you listen closely, you'll also hear the hard drive spinning and may also hear scratching noises from it. Because of the things your Freesat box does in standby, this is partly why it's recommended to keep your Freesat box in standby instead of turning it fully off at the wall. Sky also recommend this for their Sky boxes, as they do similar things when in standby. But there you go, the answer as to whether these 4K Freesat boxes defragment their hard drive is yes, they do. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.